Brijesh. So today I am going to tell you how you can download the SmartPSS and get it installed into your system to check the IP campus SmartPSS. And you can see here I have already downloaded it. So I am going to just extract this, and now let's install. You can see, select the term and condition, next, storage remove, get install in C drive, next. It is now installing, guys. Once it is installed, we will need to configure this. Finish. Just get it start. Yes. Now just put your admin credential. Get it next and select your questions, whatever you want to set. If you forget your password, so you can just get it recovered. Now login. You can see it's login. Now you will need to add your NVR. So device name, you can just put your IP address here, 192.168. In my case it is 8.10, and the same address I will put here. Username and password of your NVR. Add. It is added. I need to add one more. So guys, 15.12. Now just add. It is 15.10. Yes. 15.10. That's it. And one more I have. In my case it is the NVR IP address. So you can see I have 3 NVR and I have added this. Now just get it close. Now let's access it again. Application is already running. No issue. Let's try one more time. Login. You can see it is accessed now. In the live view you can